Hey everyone, if you're on the journey to lose weight fast, you're in the right place. Today, I'm going to share 10 proven tips that have helped so many people just like you. Ready? Let's dive in. Tip number 1, water is your best friend. Drinking a glass of water before meals can help you feel fuller, which means you'll eat less. Also, staying hydrated boosts your metabolism. Tip 2, cut back on sugars and starches. Lowering your intake of carbs can lead to a decrease in appetite and you don't have to fight those hunger battles. Tip 3, get moving with cardio. Whether it's walking, running, or dancing, get that heart rate up. Cardio is great for burning calories and improving both your physical and mental health. Tip 4 involves intermittent fasting. This strategy cycles between periods of eating and fasting, which can significantly reduce calorie intake and boost weight loss. Tip 5, eat a high-protein breakfast. Starting your day with proteins like eggs or Greek yogurt can keep you feeling full longer, helping you to avoid unnecessary snacking. Tip 6, say yes to fiber. Foods high in fiber can slow the absorption of sugar and lower your appetite. Beans, whole grains, and broccoli are great choices. Tip 7, sleep more and stress less. Poor sleep and high stress can sabotage your metabolism and your weight loss efforts. Try to manage your stress and get plenty of sleep. Tip 8, use smaller plates. It's an easy trick, but it works. Smaller plates can make portions look larger, and you might find you need less food than you think to feel full. Tip 9, keep healthy food around in case you get hungry. Keeping healthy snacks like almonds, Greek yogurt, or whole fruit handy can prevent you from reaching for unhealthy quick fixes. And lastly, tip 10, stay consistent. Consistency is key in losing weight. Stick with your healthy habits and don't get discouraged if you don't see immediate results. There you have it, 10 tips to help you lose weight fast. Remember, weight loss is a journey, and every step you take makes a difference. Start implementing these tips today, and you'll be on your way to a healthier you. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more health tips and tricks. See you next time.